So here we have this Enzyme laundry detergent. So it's powered by enzymes. So it's a powder, not liquid. Should get about 130 loads. But this is great because there's no plastic or anything like that, like those pods. So if we open it up here, as you can see, and inside we have this nice little scoop. So you should only need one scoop for, a normal machine. So unless you have a lot of really dirty stuff, you should just need one scoop. But obviously I'm going to start this wash. And what I really am worried about is some stains I have on this white here. So we're going to throw that in. And then this one has a little bit of a stain as well. And so we're going to see how well that works with this enzyme that is supposed to, the enzyme-based detergent that is supposed to pull all the stains out. But it's hypoallergenic, safe for your skin, all of that good stuff. So like I said, we will just do one scoop because that's all we need for this laundry machine. So just give me one scoop here. Little clumps that we can break up later. But this is just like, this is what my parents used to use back in the day, the powdered laundry detergent. So I'm gonna break up some of those clumps. There we go. Look at that. So you can see inside. But all you need is just one scoop. So there you go. Very simple. Now let's start it and see what happens. Probably small. There we go. All right, we're finished. So let's see. Oh, there's the shorts I was wondering about. And wow, there is nothing there. That completely cleaned off that stain. Oh, and there's the white ones. Let's see. Oh, yep. All that black stuff is gone. It's gone. There's just the pilling, but that was how the shorts already were. Wow, that's impressive. That's really impressive. This stuff is great. That was just one scoop, just a load of laundry. But yeah, I mean, the main ingredient is or one of the main ingredients, we have washing soda and then baking soda. So that is one reason why it's odorless. So let me see, yeah, there's no scent at all. So that's great. These clothes don't smell like anything. I just need to throw them in the dryer, but yeah. No scent. That's fantastic. The only thing I will say is that there is a little bit of scent because of the enzyme. So like the actual detergent has like a slight smell to it, but it's not like bad. But your clothes come out smelling like odorless, super clean. And you saw that scoop is so tiny, you barely need anything. So that's going to last forever. So great in terms of longevity. You don't need to use as much detergent. Way better than the liquid stuff. So definitely recommend.